my own online tutoring business. So I want to show you today the tools that I have used so that way maybe you can start this year your own tutoring business. So I just built a website. I use Webstars. They are local. They have excellent customer service. I like that I can just make a phone call. I used to use Join.me. I know a lot of people also use Zoom. This is basically to share the screen, to listen to the student listens to you. You can actually have the student share the screen to you, so it's great because everything now is online. I built this website. It's just very basic, and what I did is that I embed, I think that's the correct way, this board, which is called AW. This is great. This board is, I'm going to put it on the screen, but look how easy this board is, and it's only $10 a month. I highly recommend it. You can share it. You can do a lot.